Right then, we're back, and this week we are replacing an old gate. First thing first, take off the old gate, cut down the timbers to size. Once that's done, we will pre-drill the holes where the bolts are going to go through, making sure that they're just in the right place, nice and central. Once they're pre-drilled and fixed and we've got our frame put up together, we then want to put in so at the moment we've got our two sides, top, bottom and centre. We then just want to do our supports. I usually do it from the handle back to the hinge. So yeah, we do that in the groove. We want to add wood glue, and then you want to knock this in. Use a piece of wood to knock it in. Don't use a hammer against the boards because it will snap it. But yeah, pre-drill where you want to fix them, and then fix them together with screws. And there you have a gate. So yeah, did that this week. Nice little project. So yeah, on to the next one. Let us know what you think. Let us know what you've been up to. Do you build your gates? I found this cheaper than actually buying one which is already made, and then generally not as made as too good of a standard, in my opinion. But yeah, let us know in the comment section below. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Peace.